Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tatiana Anissa. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I love doing looks like this, and Glamlite really inspires me to want to create really colorful, dramatic looks. And honestly, this paint palette is the perfect size. It is so cute. This retails for $26.60 as of right now for Black Friday. But once Black Friday is over, this palette is going to go back up to its normal retail price, which is $38. You're probably wondering, girl, Glamlite already came out with a paint palette before. What is this? What's going on? I had the same thought, to be honest. I really thought that they were just releasing the original paint palette, but in a smaller size. But then when I really looked at it, I realized it was a completely different palette. Mainly because I feel like I haven't really used the paint palette in so long, but I do have it. And here is the original paint palette right here. And this is basically all of your primary colors. You have royal blue, green, yellow, orange, red, burgundy, brown, black, blah, blah, blah. But in the new Paint Palette Pro, you have all of the like sister colors to the primary. So you have like turquoise, lime, tangerine, coral red, magenta. These shades are absolutely beautiful. This shade right here, titanium white, I swatched it right here, and do you guys see this? You think that it's white, but it's not. It is an insane color. It is so beautiful, and I had to put that all over the lid. By the way, I do have a tutorial on how I got this really cool graphic liner look towards the end of this video, so if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching towards the end. But I really love the shimmers in this palette. It's so beautiful. They're not like normal shimmers. They're literally like cream shimmers, so they won't pick up on a brush, which I do love Glamlite's shimmer formula. If you love Juvia's Place's shimmers, you'll love Glamlite's formula, except the only difference is you gotta apply these with a finger and not with a brush because it will not pick up on the brush. Let me show you guys a size comparison from the original paint palette to the Paint Palette Pro, because they are not the same size. I really prefer this size right here as opposed to this bigger size, because I feel like this is a lot more easier to travel with and also to hold. I mean, this one's not like the biggest obnoxious thing, but like this is just such an ideal size, and I kind of wish that they had made this one in a size like this. Okay, so let me just tell you guys, the packaging of this new Paint Palette Pro is packaging that I do not want to keep. It's not really extravagant and pretty. I don't know, this is like the first Glamlite's packaging where I don't care to keep it. I could keep it for easy storage, but this just doesn't really make me want to keep it, you know, as opposed to the original Paint Palette's packaging. So cute. I literally keep it because I just think this is really cool. I understand why they didn't do really extravagant packaging, because it is smaller, so more practical packaging does make sense. I completely understand that. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at this white shade. It is so pretty. And also, this new pink palette does come with a brush. I didn't use this. I completely forgot about this, to be honest. Now that I'm like looking at it, I forgot that it comes with a brush, but I honestly feel like this is a nice brush for doing a cut crease. But yeah, I definitely recommend this palette. I prefer this one over the original paint palette, of course, but if you want to see how I got this cool look, definitely keep on watching. Going into the shade Dark Violet, and I'm taking this strictly in my outer corner, and I'm going to build up the shade until I get my desired color that I want. Just making sure that's the color that I went in with, and just building it up. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Azure. Love this blue. Very gorgeous. I can't wait to do a look with just this blue. But I'm blending this directly next to the shade Dark Violet. And then I'm going back into Dark Violet just to make sure that it is blended, because I started to lose that color. Now we're going into the shade Coral Red, which is this gorgeous pink. And I'm blending that shade into Azure. And of course, just building it up. Same technique that I did with the other two shades. I did a lot of checking it out just to make sure it is perfect. Next, we're going into the shade Tangerine, and this is going to be in my inner corner, and I'm splitting this into the shade Coral Red. I did have to go back into Coral Red to make sure that it is the color that I want it to be, and then I also did go back into Tangerine and made sure that was built up. Now taking my P. Louise base in the shade 0. Love this for looks like this because I need a nice white solid base, but honestly any cut crease type of base that you use would be good. I like to go in with white because I think of it as a blank canvas. Honestly, I'm so used to doing cut creases, so I do them so fast. And I like literally, I just do them, you know. I don't, you know, sometimes I'm a little sloppy, but you know. Going into the shade Titanium White, so beautiful. Love this shade. Couldn't really get it with my nails, so I decided to go in with a brush to try to help it. Honestly, you guys, the brush did not help. Going into my Midas Cosmetic Cake Liner palette, use code Tatiana Anissa to get money off your purchase. Okay, you guys, yes, spoiler alert, I am now an affiliate with Midas Cosmetics. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Midas Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Yeah, I did get it in my hair, but you know, just go with it. But yeah, so I'm just following the cut crease that I made with the white shade out of that palette. And honestly, like I said, you guys, I'm just so quick with the cut crease. I just do it and hope it comes out right, and it does, luckily. So now I'm going into the shade Indigo, and I'm placing this on my lower lash line just to finish off this look. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes and a wing liner and show you guys the finished look. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I know it was pretty quick, but it is Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.